You've probably tried to do this before, where you've tried to do a hard reset on your Samsung phone by holding down the power button and volume down to turn it off. And then as soon as it turns off, switching to volume up and the power button, then releasing. And yet, for some reason, it doesn't work. Well, the method I'm about to show you will work all the time, 100% of the time. Just wait for it to start up first. Then what you need to do is get a USB cable. Just plug it straight into your computer. You can even do this now, plug it in while it's starting up. And it's just following the same method. So once it's plugged into the computer, volume down and power. And as soon as it switches off, switch to volume up, release the power button. Now, as you see, now we've been able to get to recovery mode. And this is where you can go down to factory reset if that's what you want to do. Factory reset. It's as simple as that. All you have to do is make sure you plug it into a computer and plug the cord into the phone, and then follow the same steps and your phone will be reset. Once that's turned on, just set it up as normal. Hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching.